That thing fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to kind of, not really a tutorial, more of much of like a watch me attempt something kind of video. This is my first time using bold hold lace glue. I've glued my wig before. I use Ghost Bond, but I really don't like Ghost Bond. It's just like messy and slippery, so I'm trying out something new. I'm still haven't perfected my laying down my frontal with like holding glue. I'm good with using Got To Be and stuff. So yeah, this is me just kind of, you know, trying new things and improving my technique as someone who makes wigs. So I did do a bald cap, and I did use that powder I just showed you guys to place on my bald cap, and also I placed that same powder on the lace of my wig. Here, you know, I'm just kind of like adjusting it and putting my wig on and seeing if it's like, if it lays correctly, if the baby hairs are everywhere like I like it. And one thing that I learned, because this was my second attempt in that day of putting my wig down, is that before I apply the glue, I should make sure 100% the wig is sitting exactly where I like it to sit. Because the very first time I put the wig too far back, and like it was too much forehead. Too much forehead was poking out, and it pissed me off because I couldn't do anything about it because the wig was glued. So I had to go get alcohol and wipe it all off. So now I'm making sure before I even put any glue or anything down that I am happy with the way the wig is sitting on my head. So yeah, that's one tip I learned. So now I'm finally happy with the way the hair is sitting. One thing I learned from my first time is that working in sections. Like, so for me, I'm still super impatient, so I just cut it into 2 sections. So I do one side and the other side. But it is the best to work in sections because you can control the way the lace is laying. Because the first time I did it, I tried to like just put the glue all over my head and just slap my wig on. No, baby. That was a hot mess. That was incorrect. But yeah, so here I'm just doing 2 layers. My next attempt might do 3 layers for a stronger hold. But here I'm just doing 2 simple layers, letting one layer dry clear and then putting on the second layer. And I'm using my finger. I found that my finger kind of works way better than using like a spatula or using a popsicle stick. So I prefer to using my finger. But yeah, so I'm just letting the hair dry clear, and we are gonna go on ahead and slap the lace on. Literally not slap it on, but apply it to the glue. I do recommend it's best to like have your baby hairs also combed back because you don't want any hair touching any potential glue, but it's okay. That's something we'll do for the next attempt. But here I'm just going in, making sure I've like pulled back any like hair that can pull back, and I'm gonna use the tail of my rat tail edge brush and just push the lace more into the glue and kind of comb out some hairs that just get stuck to the glue. And now that I'm happy and satisfied with that side, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna, you know, do my 2 layers and go ahead and use my edge brush to push the lace into the glue. once I'm finally done and satisfied with the way the lace is laying, before I go ahead and lay my baby hairs, I just want to like let the glue kind of like set onto the lace, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap the scarf around my head, like I'm gonna cut and like let the baby hairs and everything just set, just let the glue be stuck. I feel like I did my baby hairs right after gluing the hair, it kind of made like the lace lift a little bit. So yeah, that's what I feel is much better. It's just like before you do your baby hairs and everything, just let the glue and the lace kind of mesh together. So I let the scarf stay on my head for about like 15 minutes, and now I'm going in with just Eco Styler. Actually, no, not Eco Styler. I'm going in with just my Got To Be glue. I try to use Eco Styler, but it has like alcohol in it, which made my lace lift. And I try to also use mousse, but I wasn't the biggest fan. So Got To Be glue, the yellow bottle, that's my girl. That's the regular OG, and that's what I use my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing my baby hair. So here is the wig the next day. I was going bowling that night, so I wanted to give a very retro 90s vibe kind of a look. I did record me making this hair, like doing the style. So coming up soon be a video of me showing how I got this look. And I really do enjoy the bold hold glue over the Ghost Bond. I recommend it over that. I liked it. It worked way better, and it lasted longer for me than my Ghost Bond ever did. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the styling video, and see you guys next time. Bye!